Hi friends, this is Ravi Chokalingam. I'll be taking current affairs class for you for both prelims 2021, which is going to be held on October 10th, and also for mains 2021, which will be starting from January 7th, 2022. So I will be talking in this introductory lecture about how I am going to conduct these classes for you and how you will benefit from that. And before that, a brief introduction about myself. So I've been mentoring civil service aspirants for the best part of the last 20 years. I have been the founder director of an IAS institute situated in Delhi, Rising IAS Academy, and we have produced more than 700 civil servants over the last 15 years or so. Our students are there in almost all the states and union territories in India, IAS officers, IPS officers, IRS officers, and all other services which are coming under UPSC. And now under the corona times, of course, things have changed completely. Not only the fear, apprehension, the loss of near and dear. Apart from that, the student community has suffered a lot because previously they used to come to places like Delhi for preparation. Now all this is out of bounds. So it has affected the preparation of the students. But online platforms like PrepLadder have been of great help to the students in these tiring times. And PrepLadder has recently launched a new app for the benefit of students, bringing together some of the best teachers in India. And I hope this will be of immense help to you in pursuing your dreams and your goals. So for mains, of course, once your prelims exam is over, that is on October 10th, we will be uploading the mains videos where we will be doing more of an analysis. There will be a couple of steps higher than the prelims. Prelims will be essentially a lot of facts I will be giving, and the mains will be a lot of analysis which uses the facts which are given during the prelims time. So essentially what we follow will be an integrated approach. So what we do it in prelims is also will be very useful for the mains also. Mains time I'll be talking about in paper 2 IR and national and polity issues, paper 3 economy, science and tech, environment, security issues, and paper 1 social issues. All the things I'll be discussing in prelims also, but mains will be discussing it in a different framework, with a different perspective, with a lot of analysis and less of facts. Facts also will be there, no doubt about that. So this is how we integrate it. In mains time, I'll tell you how to answer different type of questions like describe or examine or critically evaluate, analyze. All these have different meanings, and based on the question, your answer has to be changed, also tailored according to the question. All these things should be done in a very open frame of mind. You must you must love that what you are doing, and then it will be great and it will be fun. And I can't stop. I can't wait for the fun to start. I hope all of you will be benefited from that. Your knowledge base will be exploding after the end of the classes, both prelims and mains together. And whatever topics or the points we are going to give you will not only help in this year's exam, but it will also be helpful for your life. In future attempts or general life, everything. I think this is the way I want to structure my course. This is what I have done in the past, and this is what I plan to do for you too. So let's start and let's have fun together. Bye. Thank you.